All right, so got a comment on one of my latest videos about how to actually start a business account with Amazon. This is in relation to the Amazon grant, small business grant that I posted yesterday. So if you do not have a Amazon account at all, or if you have a personal account already, there's ways you can get you a business account. So here I am on my Amazon.com. This I actually logged out of my business account and my personal account to show you guys how to do it from scratch. Once you come here, it'll say hello, sign in, or if you're a new customer, start here. So since you are a new customer, you can go there, or you can go down here, right here where it says register for a business account. We'll just do new customer, and it comes to this screen. But if you do this screen, is going to add you as a personal. So we're going to do the create a free business account. Go there, free business account, put your email in, get started. Boom. It's that easy. All right. All right, guys. So don't let a little thing like this hold you up. Not sure how hard it is to find this information, but hope this helps you out. Go ahead and start that business account. Get you a net 30 account with Amazon Business, and go ahead and apply for that Amazon Small Business Grant worth $25,000. All right. So once you do open up this account, they may ask you to, if you want a net 30 account. Um, I believe they may be going away from the net 30 accounts, but as of right now, recording this video, they still do have the net 30 accounts for business, which means you have 30 days to pay the purchase off. You can purchase anything from Amazon. They give you a credit limit, usually around $10,000. You can purchase anything on Amazon as long as you pay it back within 30 days. This item is great if you're going to do drop shipping. Great business model where you take items from Amazon, post the pictures and descriptions on eBay or other sites on your personal site, and when people buy it, you mark the price up and then come to Amazon and purchase it and ship it directly from Amazon to the customer, and you keep the difference. So if you sell something for 25, it lists on Amazon for 15, free shipping, then you keep the $10 profit minus fees. So that's how drop shipping works. This is a great Amazon business, a great tool to use that. So go ahead and try it out. The credit K-Way later.